Hello guys, so as you know, I sold half of my Tesla stock a couple weeks ago, and I'm gonna see if I put like that money, like $10,000, $30,000, $20,000, just park my cash on this dividend paying stock called Hinge Brand. Okay, so like this stock, I started buying it like, let me see, when did I start? Uh, toward like October, because the dividend rate is like extremely high at almost used to be like 10%, but past couple of days it has been dropping because the stock price has been going up, and that 10% is like really a rare opportunity to get, because uh, as you know, right now the interest rate is very high, around like 4%. If you put it on Robinhood, you don't have any risk. And then, but after maybe this year, toward the end of this year or next year, if the Fed drops the interest rate, people, it's gonna be like very very hard to buy like high dividend stock like this one, hence what this one is paying, because now everybody is moving out their cash to buy like bonds and stuff like that, and it's low risk 4 or 5% dividend or 4 or 5% interest. But Handspring is a company that have risk, so I think right now is like once a 10-year opportunity to buy high dividend strong cash position stock. So let's go over some basic stuff like what Handspring is. So Handspring is like very basic business that Warren Buffett will buy, but they have a hidden gem, which is the champion brand they have. Okay, so like one year, like their clothing is like pretty expensive as well. It's not like cheap or stuff like that. But right now they are putting it on discount. That won't look good. But I know like every time, but everybody like Nike like on like Monday, yesterday was New Year's Day, and they put a lot of their stuff extra 30% off as well. So right now, like Hanesbrand, like if you go to Walmart, you can buy Hanes like underwear, shirts. And Champion is like hidden gem. That's like Under Armour. You getting the whole brand for free. Because Champion is doing like $2 billion. I think it was 2 billion annual revenue. And if you look at Under Armour, it's like Champion and Under Armour are very similar brand in my opinion. It's only worth 4 billion, and they're doing 5 billion in revenue, but Champion is doing 2 billion, so half right there. So it's not. I would value Champion brand at 2 billion, but right now, the whole company is worth about $2.2 billion. So there's a lot of value. Okay, so let's take a look at their balance sheet and just make sure. Let me switch it to the side. Hopefully, you guys don't mind me switching around. Hopefully, like they don't go bankrupt. Now, let's look at their recent revenue. So total, they did like $1.6 billion in sales, and cost of revenue 1 billion, and gross profit 562 million. So those are in thousands. So you gotta add in a couple zeros to get the millions. So operating profit. So they are actually profitable on the operating level, but because of the inflation and then like supply chain disruption, they are not as profitable as they used to be. So on 2021, they made like, as you can see right there, $234 million. But this year, it's gonna get harder as well for 2023, as people will spend less money. Okay, so let's look at the previous Handspring used to be very profitable business. Like for 2018, they generated net income of 539 million. 2019, 600. 2021. I think that they skipped 2020. I think that's 2020 right there. I don't know. They skipped 2020 and just jumped to 2021. Become not very profitable, and same thing for 2022. So they begin to become more profitable. Hopefully, when they get supply chain work out, they become more profitable and they can continue to pay the dividend. I think they have been paying dividend for 25 consecutive quarters. I'm not a financial advisor. I could get this one. Please do your own research. And I don't recommend you buying that stock as well because it's very risky to pick individual stocks. Okay, so their quarterly interest rate is $41 million. I think they have um, $4 billion in debt. So we're gonna look at the debt as well, how much debt they have. So income from continuing operation, they only $80 million. That's not a lot. So I forgot to calculate how much they are paying out on dividend each quarter. Right now it's 10%. How much they're paying it out. So it's good. It's their income is 80 million right now. Okay, so let's go to page 17. And oh yeah, right now they have $253 million in cash. Okay, so let's remember that. Now let's go to page 17 and look at their how much debt they have. Okay, page 16, 17. All right, right here. As you can see, they have revolving senior notes. So most of the there's a debt due June 2023. I think they already pay off. In 2024, there's a $568 million debt due. May, wow, a lot of debt coming due. 900 million. 2026, 900 million. November 2026, 1 billion. So total they have around $3.3 billion debt coming due. Okay, so and they I think when I was looking at their credit facility, page 40. Okay, let's go to page 40 and see how much cash they have, including credit facility. All right, page 41 or over it. All right, so right here, total liquidity. So they revolving loan facility, they used to have the capacity is 1 billion, but they only used up 440 million. So I only got 560 million left. And other facilities, so they have $609 million of credit line they can pull, and then 250 million in cash, so $862 million of liquidity they can use. So if there's debt coming through, hopefully they can refinance or use the cash. They have to use the cash and their finance facility to pay it off. Okay, and let's go to page 34 and look at their margins for their product. Okay, 35 over. Okay, so their margin is decreasing as well for Handspring. I think it's because still same thing, result from cost inflation, lower sales volume, manufacturer time out, and and logistic and stuff like that. So innerwear is like underwear, I think. So and then t-shirt and stuff. And they used to have like 21% margin. Now it's only 16%. And like and margin is like revenue minus cost of revenue. Activewear 60 used to be 16.5%. Now it's 11. International is same thing. So their margin is dropping across the board. So that's why the stock is dropping. If they can recover their margin, I think the stock price will recover. And the CEO has said that they will focus on the champion brand, to like I got feedback again, to grow the sales. So tell them like please leave a comment on tell me what you think about the champion brand. Does a lot of your friends wear this clothing? I think it's in my opinion they are pretty cool. The champion brand is pretty cool, and like I think like Chase the Rapper wear and the champion brand become popular. And then like for they are expanding into like shoes. A company called KEDS used to have the licensing right for shoes, champion shoes in the US and I think Canada. But I think like more than 50 or 100 years ago, Champion sell the licensing right for the shoes to kids, but recently they bought the licensing back from that company for $90 million. So they're expanding into shoes. So let's check out their shoes. Like product. Oh, that suit. This one is pretty cool. The men's F94. Only two. How many suits do they have? Men's sneaker. Oh, it look like only two. I think I'm gonna click some more, and there's a lot more men's footwear. Sneak snipers. Okay, I don't know what happened, but they used to have a lot of. Oh, right here. Not many, only three. That's weird. I thought they're expanding into footwear, so there's that. So so after looking like all this data, I'm not really sure if like there's a lot of debt coming through. I'm not really sure if I wanted to like play the 10% dividend. That's why I got like $800. I'll probably put like a little bit more in there to get that 10% dividend. Now if they can like increase their like their income, I will probably buy more. So that's the situation right now, and I'm still like debating if I should like park my $10,000, $20,000 in this stock right now to get the 10%. If that stock price drop to $3, I will consider it much more and get a 20% dividend. Yeah, so I'm still thinking right now, so I'm not really sure, but I do have a position on this stock because I think it's a good value deal. Like you get the champion brand, Hands brand, and stuff like that, and it's not very simple company to buy. Okay, so hopefully this video help you like understand the company a little better, and I see you in the like tomorrow. The stock market will open, so I will give you a portfolio update tomorrow as well when the market close. Yeah, thank you so much.